When you run a product business, after-sales service is a key factor in customer satisfaction. Field technicians have to deal with a number of challenges, such as old products, lack of spare parts, or the necessary expertise in conducting a critical job, resulting in shutdowns, product returns, and frustration for your clients. What if you could get subject matter experts to guide your field technicians through every installation and repair? ViXR's Remote Assistance is an AR-powered remote support solution that provides easy, fast, and secure visual assistance to the technician. Service agents can now provide step-by-step guidance for installation and maintenance services. ViXR connects a service agent with the field technician through an AR call, where the agent can view the live feed from the camera of the technician's mobile device, creating a personalized path to issue resolution, without incurring any additional costs, and saving your clients precious downtime on their production line. For instance, if the service request is that of changing the print head on an industrial printer, the field technician can call the service agent sitting remotely. The service agent can then guide the technician through the process. The agent can share essential documents and resources necessary to complete the repair safely, securely, and accurately. The session chats, as well as call recordings made during the sessions, are analyzed and archived. ViXR provides detailed analytics of each session for service leaders to improve the quality of their services. Take more service calls in a day than a lone traveling agent can in a week. ViXR's Remote Assistant is enterprise-ready and runs on all major mobile platforms. Experience the generational leap of AR-powered visual assistance with ViXR.